Hello and welcome. My name is Detlef Boss. I'm the Managing Director of the ISE GmbH located in the beautiful city of Oldenburg. In addition, I serve as a product manager overseeing the development of the SMART CONNECT KNX eCharge 2. This product offers the risk-free and easy integration of charging points from a wide range of manufacturers into the KNX system. During this session, you will delve into the possibilities and advantages of integrating charging points into the KNX system, catering to both single-family homes and larger structures. This presentation is tailored for KNX system integrators, electricians, specialized consultants and electrical planners. Enjoy the presentation. The eCharge 2 is designed to integrate up to 5 distinct charging points per device into the KNX system. These charging points can be both visualized and controlled. Additionally, it features dynamic and static load management, enabling maximum power extraction from the system without overloading the electrical infrastructure. Moreover, integration into logic systems is feasible, allowing for functions like surplus charging in conjunction with PV systems or using more than 5 charging points in settings like hotel or parking garages. Let's now examine the KNX communication objects for controlling and visualizing charging points. It's essential to note that the communication objects marked with an asterisk are only available depending on the manufacturer. The following states are supported: charging point state, vehicle connected, vehicle is charging, and charging completed. You can also interrupt charging, start-stop, and unlock the charging point. Furthermore, you can utilize the current charging current, the current charging power, energy consumption, total energy consumption for the last charging process, duration, start and end time of the charging process. Finally, the EV CCID, which can be used for plug-and-charge purposes, the internal charging point temperature warnings, the used RFID tag, and error messages from both the charging point and the eCharge unit itself can be integrated into the KNX system. A special feature is the ability to simultaneously operate 5 charging points from different manufacturers and models on a single eCharge unit. RS485 and IP-based charging points can also be combined, but only in a homogeneous manner on the RS485 line. The list of supported manufacturers and models continually expand with each release. Currently, we support 39 charging points from various manufacturers with ongoing additions. Here you can see the connections of the eCharge. At the top, the KNX twisted pair connection is situated alongside the 24 DC port. At the bottom, the RS485 port allows Modbus RTU communication, and an integrated IP switch, present in nearly all our devices, enables daisy chain configurations in the sub-distribution. Developing the eCharge 2, our priority was to ensure the straightforward and secure integration of charging points into the KNX system. We aimed to eliminate the need for the system integrator to grapple with complicated registers and functional disparities among charging points. Providing a clear overview of charging points functionalities was essential to prevent misconfigurations. And the absence of additional adapters was a core goal. All configurations should be manageable with the ETS software. Naturally, operational safety was crucial for the eCharge 2, given its pivotal role in the electric installation. Lastly, the eCharge 2 had to be updatable, accommodating to constant additions of new charging points. We have successfully achieved all these objectives and proud to present a device tailored for the needs of the system integrator. The most frequently asked question is, which charging points are coming next? We have a continuous growing list of charging points, but we don't want to reveal too soon which one will be added next. Not every charging point makes it into the releases. We're testing each charging point in our laboratory to ensure that the communication works flawlessly. Sometimes a charging point doesn't pass the testing phase because not everything functions perfectly or the essential functions are unavailable. You can find the current list on our website, and here's a little tip. Sign up for our newsletter so you will never miss any releases. Here you can see our website with a list of supported charging points just mentioned. Now we delve into the integrated load management of the eCharge 2. We begin with static load management, commonly employed in larger setups with a fixed available current value. In such cases, the integrated load management evenly distributes current among connected and to-be-charged vehicles, ensuring the current limit isn't exceeded. Building current consumption at that moment isn't taken into account. Dynamic load management operates differently. Here, the building current consumption is considered and charging current of connected electrical vehicles are dynamically adjusted. The objective is to extract the maximum charging current from the infrastructure without overloading it. In dynamic load management with prioritization, the scenario is almost the same as earlier described. However, the distinction lies in the prioritizing the charging point. This entails allowing the prioritized charging point to charge the vehicle with the maximum available current, while the remaining current is distributed among other connected vehicles. Naturally, overloading the electrical installation is prevented in this scenario. With the communication objects, charging points and integrated load management explained, we now address the challenges that the eCharge 2 addresses. The scale of installations and the diversity of charging points within them. An often encountered challenge arising in managing growing installations over time. Charging point manufacturer solutions typically accommodate only their own charging points and often in a homogeneous manner. Frequently, these charging points become obsolete after several years. A mix of modules or manufacturers are impossible. However, the eCharge 2 changed this dynamic. Here, various models from diverse manufacturers can operate with a single load management system. Updates ensure seamless expansion even years down the line. Another challenge surfaces in apartment complexes. Owners rarely agree on a single charging point model. One may prefer manufacturer A, while another prefers manufacturer B. In this scenario, a load management system is also essential. A straightforward approach is showing owners the eCharge 2 compatibility list for charging points and allowing them to choose. The eCharge handles the rest. Integrated with PV systems, easily achievable by integrating it into a logic with the eCharge 2. For a large installation with dynamic load management, consider this minimal KNX system. You need a KNX smart meter, KNX power supply, a logic module such as L1 from Jira, and as many eCharge 2 units as necessary. That's all. Requires no further KNX devices. Try achieving this with alternate solutions. Here is the solution for larger installations with static load management. You need a KNX power supply, a logic module, for example X1 with integrated visualization from Jira, and as many eCharge 2 units as needed. Again, additional KNX devices are necessary. Plus, instant visualization is provided. It couldn't be easier. A solution with PV integration appears as follows. The PV system's inverter and smart meter are linked via the logic of an X1 module controlling the eCharge 2. This facilitates data visualization from the PV system and implements features like PV surplus charging. In upcoming releases, PV integrations will be fully executed with the eCharge 2, eliminating the need of an extra logic. To further simplify matters, we offer downloadable smart connection guides for integrating and configuring charging point into the KNX system. These guides offer step-by-step instructions, customized to the manufacturer and charging point model. It couldn't get any more straightforward. The rest is up to you. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into the eCharge 2, and I'm pleased to have met your interests. Allow me to summarize. The eCharge 2 integrates up to 5 charging points. Charging point prioritization is supported. Different manufacturers and models can be used concurrently. The eCharge integrates both dynamic and static load management. An RS485 port is included, eliminating the need for an additional adapter. The eCharge 2 is fully configurable in the ETS and naturally supports KNX Secure. The eCharge 2 is available through electric wholesaler channels and is priced at €499 net catalog price. What's on the horizon for the eCharge 2? The focus shifts toward photovoltaics. Integration of inverters and battery inverters from diverse manufacturers. Integration of surplus charging. Implementation of various models to determine energy and charging strategies. Fast switching, peak load management, unbalanced load management, order and priority management, energy values for energy monitoring. While demanding, we are making solid progress. This concludes our presentation. I hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for your attention.